How to fix the issue where your Wi-Fi icon is missing from your Windows 11 taskbar. So you can see at the moment, if I click on Wi-Fi, my symbol appears, but if you can't see this from your taskbar, I'm going to show you how we can get this to reappear. Now, first thing you need to do is open up the Start menu. You could then search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Network Adapters, and you should be able to see your Wi-Fi card from the list. Now, it should have Wi-Fi in the name, and that's how you know it's your Wi-Fi driver. You then just need to go and right-click on this, click on Disable Device, and press Yes. You then need to right-click on this again and press Enable Device. Now, if you don't see your Wi-Fi adapter, you can always click on View, and you can press Show Hidden Devices, and you should be able to see your Wi-Fi adapter in the list. Now, if it's still not working, we're going to close out of this window, open up the Start menu and search for Services and click on this window. You then need to scroll right down to the bottom of the page and you need to look for a service called WLAN autoconfig, which is this one here. Now go and double click on this, make sure the startup type is set to automatic and also make sure the service status is running, and you can do that just by clicking this Start button. You can then go and press Apply and OK. And then we're going to right click on the service and click on Restart. Once again, you can check to see if it solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, there is one final solution. So go and open up your Start menu, search for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, click on Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings, and then select Network Reset. Now click on Reset Now, and then go and press Yes. Now once you've done this, you'll need to restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, you should then be able to click on the Wi-Fi and you can go and connect to your Wi-Fi connection. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.